y'all, welcome back to a new video. I know I look a mess. I washed my hair fresh yesterday, and I just put them in these twists, which look atrocious right now. But I was telling myself this break that I have from school, like, why not learn and do box braids? So that's what I'm trying to attempt now. And so I have some rubber bands right here. Not a lot, because I'm really just like trying to attempt like a couple rubber bands, because I'm just gonna do like one practice braid, and if it comes out good, I'm gonna go get some more rubber bands and more weave. And let me show you guys the weave I do prefer, or at least whenever I get my hair braided, like this is the weave that they prefer for me to get, is Bobby Boss. And I have it in the color 1 because my hair is black, like jet black, and I've never dyed it, so I don't really do color. So I have a number 1, which is black, and then I have this jam called Shine and Jam, and it seems like a lot of like braiders prefer this jam, and it says it's good for natural hair, so seems like that's perfect for me because I'm a natural girl. But there's like barely anything in there, because like I said, the last person who did my hair about used the whole thing, and it's not that big. It's not that big, but, and I do have a big head, so I guess I shouldn't be surprised. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get to it. I'm gonna take these twists out, and I've been just kind of spraying my hair with like some water. And this is like a, oh, I'm sorry, this is ratchet. My hair is sectioned 1, 2, 3, and then like I have this part out because I think I'm gonna start with this part of my hair. I don't really want small box braid. I want like medium large, a little bit more so large. Currently have my light on because I think it's kind of gonna get dark, and I look so like oily. Like, oh my god, I'm so shiny right now. So shiny. But I have the hair out, and this is what it looks like. And I usually don't like cutting the weave because I just like, that's the length I like usually want my braids to be. I don't really go too long, and like this hair is not that long. I think it's probably like mid, a little bit past my bra strap. Not too long. But yeah, person I watch, her name was Amanda, I think. If it's not Amanda, I'm so sorry. I will put her YouTube down below, the video specifically that I watched. So I'm not really good at parting by myself, so this part is not the best, as you guys can probably see. It's not the best, but it's not the worst, so we're gonna go with it. At least I'm gonna go with it. Again, I'm just trying to do a test trial. And then the oil I'm using, I think I've showed you guys this before. It's the Shea Moisture Daily Hydrating one. Bam! And I'm just gonna spray it on the rubber bands like that. So, oh god. It literally comes out like very hard, so I didn't want to spray too much. I think I did kind of spray too much, because I heard if you put too much oil, from the lady I watched, she said if you put too much oil, it's gonna kind of like mess up the longevity of the rubber bands. But yeah, I'm about to start with a part, and I have a mirror right here, so like who let me do my, who's letting me do this? I feel like it's a bit too much hair, so I'm trying to make it a little smaller. And I think that's good. Some jam so it can like stay as fresh for as long as possible. And what I remembered from the video, I haven't even took the hair out yet. So I got the hair, and I hate hair. Like, I hate touching hair very, very much. So this is how much I took, and I think it's enough for like one braid. And I'm just gonna lay the rest on my lap. So I remember her basically parting her hair like so. She like parted into pieces, and she laid the weave, and then she took the two pieces that she had out of her hair, and she put them together, and she grabbed the rubber band. So go ahead and grab one. Put it around my hair. Get it as tight as possible. And then she basically started braiding the weave. So as you can see my hair in the weave, and she basically starts braiding. If this looks good, I'm gonna flake, be so happy and so proud of myself. Can you guys see that? Okay, it doesn't look the best. Doesn't look the best, but yay! This is my first time ever doing this, so I'm so proud of myself right now. But this is kind of a bit small. I want it like a little bit bigger than this. So, but I did one. Okay, I will see y'all when I get somewhat done, because I have a big head. So we are officially out of braiding hair. Shockingly, 2 packs of Bobby Boss was able to do this much of my hair. So I think that's a lot, because usually when I get my hair braided, I buy like up to 12 packs of hair, 12 to 16 packs of hair, and I do fill up my head almost. I think the max I've used is probably 12. But I always go above and beyond and buy more. So I do have some more hair, but if I want to use it, because the hair I have, oh my god, I've had this hair, like this weave braiding hair in this bag for like over a year, probably almost like a year now. And I've been looking for this headband, this cute black headband I bought for like Forever 21, and I'm just not finding it. Wow, okay. Wish I was finding money. But so I have this other braiding hair called Expression, and it's, oh wow, and it's crunchy. Wow, look at that. And one thing that's good about this hair is the last, like I said, it's so long that braiders usually cut it in half, and it does the job. Like literally, you'll need only like 4 packs. But this crap has so much like chemicals in it or something, and that it made my head itch. Like when I said my head was itching, it was itching like crazy. But I really don't want to go to the hair store and buy more braiding hair when I have braiding hair right here. And I think I'm just gonna spray it down so it's not so chemically, whatever the word or term is. I'm just gonna use what I have. So again, this is just me doing my own hair, and I don't want to go spending money on braiding hair when I have braiding hair right in front of me. We at the halfway mark. This is a lot of hair. So much hair. I can't believe I'm done. It actually looks pretty darn good if I say so myself. I'm gonna go put these in water and I'll be back. These are the final results, y'all. They actually curled at the bottom. There's some like hair I need to cut off, you see. But I'm happy, I'm proud. They don't hurt. I think this probably took me 4 hours, not gonna lie. 4 or 5 hours. And that was me not stopping. Hey y'all, today's a new day. The next day, I went to go and buy some mousse because I didn't have any. So now, I was gonna add the mousse first, but I think I'm gonna cut away the flyaways. So I'm gonna do that. I roughed my hair last night. And to be honest, when I woke up this morning, it didn't look as bad. So we're done cutting. I think looks okay. I also have some hair jewelry. I've had them for so long, like I didn't even know I had it. So I have these little spirals, and then these. You just get them at the hair store. I can't recall how much they are because I've had them for so long. I also have these like eyes. Pretty cute. So yeah. Well, now I have my mousse. the official final look, y'all. Wow. I can even have box braids again. And I did them myself. Who is she? Let me give you guys a little turnaround. Yeah, I went through a lot, y'all. I went through a lot to get my hair to look like this. And I'm still very shocked. Like, wow. I'm very proud of myself. First time, beginner. If I can do it, you can do it. Don't be afraid. Try it out. And yeah, so I hate that look cute with nowhere to go. In total, this took me about, I think, 5 hours. I think I started around like the end of 5 and I finished, or like beginning of 5, I'm not sure. And then I ended at 10, like exactly like at 10:05, I think. And yeah, so I think it took me like about 5 hours because I do have a lot of hair. And then I was struggling because, I'm not used to doing box braids. It was my first time. So I really was like trying to like maneuver it and everything. But y'all, I'm pretty happy with it now. Now that I like have these like jewelry, like hair accessories in it, I think I feel pretty okay with it now. And yeah, so that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.